Hooray for Fish by Lucy Cousins. Hello, I am Little Fish, swimming in the sea. I have lots of fishy friends. Come along with me. Hello, 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 fish. Red, blue, and yellow fish. Hello, spotty fish, stripy fish, happy fish, gripey fish. 1, 2, 3. How many can you see? Hello, Ella fish, shelly fish. Hello, hairy fish, scary fish. Eye fish, shy fish, fly fish, sky fish. Hello, fat and thin fish. Hello, twin fin fish. Curly whirly, twisty twirly. Upside down, round and round. So many friends, so many fish. Splosh, splash, splish. But where's the one I love the best, even more than all the rest? Hello, Mom. Hello, little fish. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Hooray for fish. The end. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you soon.